unpleasant. Unpleasant to be around. You're mean.
Wow.
All you do is scratch me.
Wow.
Look at me. Look me in the eyes.
Wow.
Look me in the eyes,
Wow.
Connie. Am I boring you?
Wow.
You're bad.
Wow.
Kitty. I don't like you.
Wow.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah,
Wow.
that's right. Lie down.
Wow.
That's right. Cry. Cry.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
See how it is. Cry. Cry.
Wow.
Come on.
Wow. 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 Wow.
That's right, Connie. That's right, Connie. That's right, Connie. Look at this, Connie.
Sir, we received a report of animal cruelty in the area.
I'll never be cruel to an animal. I'm a nice shot.
Seriously? Well,
Yeah.
then why did I hear a cat meowing?
Because I was being so nice to it. That's why.
Sir, you were literally abusing that cat. Why would you,
These are lies. I won't stand for it.
sir? I received video footage and audio footage on this.
No! No!
Sir,
It's an AI.
put your hands on your back.
You'll never take me alive.
Put your hands behind your back now, or you will regret it.
Alright, you took me alive.
Sir,
Yeah,
you're dead. You're going to jail.
I've been there before. I've also got arrested for animal cruelty before. This isn't my first rodeo. I never thought you guys would catch me.
What? All right. Let's get out of here.
I can't believe I'm being arrested.
Matthew went to jail for animal cruelty. His cat went to the Humane Society and eventually got adopted by a kind and loving couple. Animals have feelings too, so treat them like humans.